These are my real eyes. I haven't worn lenses in ages. I think in my 20s is when I used to regularly wear lenses during my modeling days, but I haven't done it since. So recently this brand called Elk Lenses sent me different colors, and they all look, when I say supernatural, not supernatural, like extremely natural. So I picked out a color that is very similar to what I used to wear back then. I used to wear a shade called hazel or amber or something like that, and this color is called honeydew brown. I'm gonna try this out. I have multiple colors, so stay tuned on my Instagram, on my TikTok, where I will try out all the colors, but this is the first one that I'm super excited to try. Again, take a closer look at my eye color. Here's the reveal. So when I opened my first kit, I see my lenses, and things have changed in the last 20-25 years. And this is something I've seen all across TikTok, where people use this to put on lenses. I've never done something like this, so this is new to me. I have no idea what this is for. I'm just gonna wear it the way I used to. Make sure your hands are clean. Should I try this? I think I need my fingers. This is not gonna work out for me. Doesn't work. I did it. So you're seeing this before even I'm seeing this. Let's see the other side. So this says it has 40% water content, which I think is a game changer, because back then I remember I used to wear the lenses for a couple of hours, and then I either needed water, those eye drops, or I needed to take them off, clean them, put them on again, or they used to just dry up in my eyes. So let's see, I'm gonna keep these on for the whole day and tell you if this water content quality of these lenses actually makes a difference. Stays steady. Need my fingers again. No, keep it. I think I like it, that this is how it works for me. It doesn't have to be the way the brand works. Did it go in or did it come out? Okay, this feels very comfortable, and I feel the lenses are a lot thinner. They don't feel as thick as they used to be. Very comfortable. I think I can pull this off for the whole day, but you will know only at the end of the day. I don't want to promise anything. Okay, now let me take a look at myself. Looks nice. They actually have like a little broader periphery, so I think they make my eyes look bigger too. What do you think? Comment below. Also, let me know, would you do lenses or do you like your natural eyes? I love my natural eyes, especially since I stopped wearing lenses and started accepting more of who I am. I love being myself, but just like different clothes, different eye makeup, different lip color, different hairstyle can make you feel completely different. And it's important, as women, we have the prerogative to look and feel different, to dress up differently, and we explore it to our fullest potential. Then why not with eye colors too? So sometimes if the lenses feel as comfortable as they feel right now, I wouldn't mind walking out in them. I cannot wait to try the other lenses from this brand. They are not expensive at all, so do check them out. I will link them below. If you buy these lenses with my link, you will get a special discount, so do check out the link in my description below. I'm Parmita Katkar, your image coach, and if you are looking for ways to transform your confidence and become the best version of yourself, then you can reach me at my website parmitakatkar.com and check out all my other videos. I will add the playlist here for you to check them out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share this video with anyone who's doubtful about trying lenses. And if that is you, then save it to your list and do explore new looks with Elk lenses. I'll see you next week. Until then, blush with me.